feel it in my palms. I'm holding on, and the breaths I take are dull. But when you can't break free, open your heart, open your mind. Don't be afraid, don't hesitate. Hear it in your voice, you don't know what to say. Taste it on your lips, you're so scared. But I'll stay till you're okay, and I'll help break free. Open your heart, open your mind. Don't be afraid, don't overthink. And together we'll open the hearts, open the minds. I'll hold your heart, maybe you'll be okay.